Hey Vicky, how are you? Happy birthday. God bless you. Wish you many happy returns of the day. And drink hard up till you get sloshed. Okay? Chalo, bye bye, Tara. Love you.
Hi, Vicky Lou. How are you? Happy birthday. Here's a song for you. Your eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Your hair stands perfectly without you trying. You're so beautiful. Wish I could tell you every day. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would say. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. I love you.
Maestro. Bullet. Hi. Hey Vicky. Hi. Hey बेटा. अरे बाप जाएंगे ना. अरे नहीं बाप. अरे जाना है बाप. बहुत फटी है ना इसके पास मिल नहीं. बाप जा. मेरे समझ बाप प्लीज. तुम लोग का ना. अच्छा अच्छा बेबी. या बेबी को समझा दो. या बेबी.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vicky. Have a blast. And do not forget, I surely need a party.
Happy birthday to the biggest whore on this planet. Happy birthday, brother. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
Hey Vicky, many happy returns of the day, bro. May God bless you with many more girls. I wish all your dreams come true. Have fun, have a great year ahead. Once again, a happy birthday!
Hi Vicky, many happy returns of the day, and here I have sing a song for you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless to you, many girlfriends to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Have fun, have blast, and make your day as a memory. And once again, happy birthday, Vicky.
You're among the best person I've met, I've known. You've been a great friend. I hope we remain friends forever, like forever. And you're the Superman. Hope this is the best birthday of yours. Of course, I love you. Happiest birthday.
Hey, Vicky. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great time.
Happy birthday, Venkateswara. Anyways, I hope you have a nice time. Blah blah blah. It's so old. Anyways, so I'll just tell you this might be your last birthday that you'll be going off. So I just hope you really enjoy this time with us, like really much. And plus, if you forget, like if you do, I'll kill you on your birthday. Get it? And they told me not to make this big, so the video I know. So I'm just gonna end this here, and I hope you really enjoy it, like really much. Okay, and have fun. Hugs.
Happy birthday. I remember the first time I saw your picture and I'm like, hey, छोटू ऐसी बेटा छोटू voice. I really love the way जब तुम गुस्सा हो जाते हैं मैं खुद मेरे को मनाती हूँ वो भी गुस्सा करके. Anyways, you're an amazing person and such a sweetheart. I love you, baby. Bye.
Hey Vicky, happy birthday, dude. God bless you and have a blast on your day. It's your day today. So I remember this Vicky Phillips 2 years ago who I had a crush on. But then when I see you today, I go like, man, I can't get this guy because fortunately you are Smriti's. Yeah, you're Smriti's. You belong to Smriti. I don't have a crush on you now, so yeah. And hopefully I wish you all the best in future in Oman. I guess right now. So I hope, maybe it's gonna be your last birthday with us, but then we'll enjoy to the full of it, man. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the most wonderful brother ever. Thank you so much for being there always. Thank you for everything, Vicky. I love you. Hope you have a great birthday. God bless. Happy birthday. Have a blast. Hi, Vicky. Happy birthday. I just wanted to wish you all the best things, and I hope you always be happy and strong. Thank you for everything. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. May God bless you abundantly, and I hope that you have a blessed day and a blessed year ahead. Love you. Happy birthday, Vicky. Many happy returns of the day. I miss you so much and I love you so much. You are an amazing person. You have an amazing personality. You have an amazing sense of humor. You rub off your happiness and your cheerfulness on everyone around you. You are so bubbly, so joyful. I love it when you give me chocolates, even though they're so rare, they're so special. And I love it when you give me goodnight kisses. I love it when you hug me. I love it when you do all those little gestures. I love it a lot. And I especially love it when you pamper me. And you are handsome. I just winked. And you are beautiful inside and out. You are one of my best brothers. I'm so thankful to God that I have you in my life. And I wish I was there. I'm missing that beautiful cake. And I need a birthday treat when I come next year. Anyways, may God bless you abundantly. May you have an amazing year ahead. Don't miss me too much. I know it's phenomenal. Don't have too much fun without me. And take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Vicky. May God bless you with all the hot and cute chicks. Party hard, keep rocking, love you.
Hi Vicky, many happy returns of the day. God bless you abundantly. Have an amazing year ahead. Take care of yourself. Work hard. Study well. Make us proud. Thank you for all your love, care and support. Thank you for everything. Thank you for teaching me how to ride a bike. And you're such an awesome person. You're not only my brother but also my best friend. It was just so amazing the way I grew up with you. I fought with you. I cried with you. I laughed with you. I smiled with you. And I also kicked your ass, I guess. And thank you once again. Enjoy your day. I love you so much. I love you. Bye.
What's up, bro? Many happy returns of the day. You have turned 22. And may God bless you with all the happiness in the world. And I wish I could be there on your birthday, but I'll be there. We'll celebrate your birthday next year, don't worry. Yes, I'll be I'm in Pune, and next year I'll be there. By the way, I'll be coming on 27, 28, something like that to Hyderabad. So we'll celebrate New Year together. Okay? Chalo, have fun, get lost. Bye bye. And yeah, by the way, the next video, जो उंगली का, I think so you might have seen, और या इसके बाद में आने वाला है, that is of Sami. He was a little too shy of actually having the full video of his face, so I think so he did it with his fingers. I have no idea why. I'll actually go to Muscat and I'll ask him. That's Sami, and after that I think so you'll see more videos, or you might have seen the videos before. Okay, bye. Happy birthday again.
You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ki. I really miss the crazy pet names, the fights. Oh my god, the fights, the name calling, and then the all of a sudden, okay, I'm sorry, and sorted. Just get here soon, and I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Vicky, happy birthday to you.
God bless. May you die soon. And
Happy birthday. God bless ya. Party hard from Kapu and Jadu.
Bye.
Hey Vicky, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one. Enjoy yourself and have a blast.
Hey, happy birthday, Victor.
अबे उसके लिए वीडियो हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे से समथिंग विकी वी आर हियर टुगेदर
To wish you
हैप्पी बर्थडे
happy birthday.
all together you fucks no not together
Let's take a new
yeah no then she won't come in the video so Khalis happy birthday have fun get drunk yes fuck Sabar no
Assalamualaikum. What is up, Mama? Happy birthday, Vicky भैया.
खूब इंजॉय करना बेटा, अपनी आंटी को भूलना नहीं, घर आते रहना जरूर.
Enjoy your day, Vicky भैया. Keep smiling.
Keep in touch with me. Don't you ever forget me. Keep coming home. Take care.
Happy birthday, Vicky. Many, many happy returns of the day. I love you loads. May you have a great year ahead, and I hope we stay in touch even after degree. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Viku. May you live for years and years. I want you to chase your dreams and achieve whatever you want in your life. I feel I don't have to stress on how important you are to me because you know how important you are. Hey, you know what? This past year has been the best because of you. I don't know if you will be going to Muscat or not. All I know is you and me will always be the same. No one can break our bond. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Vicky. May you have the best birthday ever. You deserve all the happiness in the world. I just wanted to tell you that whenever I'm sad or whenever I'm happy, you're the first person I think about and share everything with. That's how important you are in my life. So you mean a lot to me. So hope you have a great birthday and stay blessed. You're an amazing person, the best person I've ever met and I've ever known. So be the same because people love you the way you are. So yeah, happy birthday.
It's finally the 12th, the most awaited day of this month, and it's your birthday, Vix. Happy birthday. You've been a very special friend to me, and I feel so blessed and I feel so lucky to have you in my life. And if there's anywhere in this world I'd ever want to be, it'd be right next to you. You are that important to me. And I'm sure we are going to remain friends forever. Like, even after we are dead, we are going to scare people after, we are dead and we'll turn into ghosts, obviously. So, I just wanted to let you know, love you to bits. I'm going to miss you if you're going back to Muscat, and this definitely makes me so emotional. Love you.
Hey, happy birthday, Victor Phillips. I think you're 22 years old. Or don't forget me on your birthday. Gets lost. Get really into some shit which we don't know about and brag about it when you come here. Miss us. You have full freedom. I think only for a couple of months more. When you come back here, we'll do all the things again probably. So just God bless you.
Hey, Victor Phillips. Finally, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, my bro. Have fun. Have lots of fun. And what more? God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vicky. You deserve all the happiness in the world. You're a sweet person too. I hope you be blessed and have a bright future ahead. Happy birthday, Vicky.
Happy birthday, Vicky. Hope you have a best birthday. You are an awesome person. May all your wishes come true. Always be the way you are. Once again, happy birthday.
हेलो विक्की, तेरे बर्थडे के लिए वीडियो बनाओ बोले तो वीडियो बना रहे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. और थोड़े वर्ड्स बोलो बोले. अब वो सब नहीं बोलूँ मैं, तेरे को मालूम जो भी है सो है, बस ठीक है. हैप्पी बर्थडे के अब देख और 2-4 पट्टे आते रहेगा. हाय Mom, how are you? I'm fine, Mama. Where are you? I'm here. Why are you here? You see there. See there, Vicky's birthday wish. Yo, wish. So, Mama, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Keep smiling. Thank you. और क्या करना है फिर बर्थडे? अब्बा एक महीना
पहले शुरू करिए क्या टेरिस पे घूमना तुमको क्या कभी यही है
पतंग पिलाने आए तो
ठीक है तुम्हारे पतंग है तो भी
रुक रहा भाई पतंग पिलाने आए तो विश करो बोले विकी को तो विश कर दे
विकी का बर्थडे अरे हैप्पी बर्थडे बेब्स कैसे हैं तुम
संतरी है विनोद तुम खा लिया अपने का शान भाई तुम भी आ जाओ वीडियो में
हाय विकी विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे मरफा शुरू करो
हवा क्या नाचे आ रहा मजा आएगा हवा सर अब लास्ट में बोल देंगे इसको जिसके काम के लिए आए हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Vicky. Happy birthday to you. Sorry bro, I couldn't send the video. My video thing is not working. Hope you have a great day. Have a blast bro. God bless you.
You know what, Viku? A very special for everyone. I thought this would be the best way to connect you with your close ones on this special day. Happy birthday once again. Have a crazy day. Bye.